tell you something about these speakers. These are like the first speakers I got back in like the 90s, 98. I think I bought these Geminis, and I replaced the horns. I replaced the subwoofers. The woofers, I replaced the tweeters. Everything's original. I just replaced, you know, the horns itself. And all the tweeters. And the TP is on too. That day I bought years ago, back in like mid-2000. So a lot of this stuff I already had. And then that gem sound down at the bottom, I bought that from somebody on, I believe I bought that on OfferUp. Yeah, OfferUp. I replaced the woofer in that, tightened it up a little bit, you know, with some more bracing. Basically, that's it. But these Geminis, they carry good sound, good mid-bass sound. I did many a block parties, made plenty of money with these. You just gotta clean them up. I don't know, I might just strip all that fabric off and get me some bed liner and spray them down in bed liner. Everything's gonna get sprayed in bed liner. Real cool, man. I gotta say peace out, and I will catch you guys on the next one. DJ Master Blaster signing off.